My back.
A good back.
My back.
A good back massage. Alright, as I told you before, here are all the IKEA stuff that I've bought. Really not all, but this is the IKEA haul. So, as I told you before, I bought stuff from IKEA, and I'm in the process of romanticizing my life, and romanticizing my bedroom starts also from changing things that I don't like about my bedroom and all that. Oh my god, those were heavy. Relax. Okay, so we're gonna start with the big one so that we can get it out of the way. And oh, did you guys know that when you go to IKEA on Thursdays, there's discounts on Thursdays? It's called Swedish Thursdays. It's called Swedish Thursday. It's called Swedish Thursdays. When you spend $75, you get $25 off. When you spend $120, you get $35 off, and that's all. If you spend $500, you still get $35 off. So I have been going to IKEA on Thursdays, and it's from, I don't know when it started, until somewhere in June or July. Excuse me, dust. So take advantage, all those things you wanted to buy, like little things, put them together and go on Thursdays. And I actually accidentally found out this because when I went to buy my dresser, it was on a Thursday. Plus, it was on sale. And then when I went to check out, the price didn't match. I asked the attendant what that discount was. They said, oh, it's every Thursday, so run. Even the things that are on sale, you get a discount on that. I have a duvet, but it's the light, very light one. I mean, it's fine, but I feel like I wanted like that fluffy look on my bed, so I got these extra warm and I know I'll be like really hot, but I like being hot when I'm sleeping. And this is the strand molky. My bed is a queen, but I decided that I wanted to get a king duvet so that it has that nice big drop. I also got a light duvet. It's also a king. Because the summer months are coming, we really don't want to like be sweaty. So this is Jan's Star. It's also a king. I also got king pillows. I feel like the queen pillows don't like cover the whole bed, so I decided to get king pillows and king pillow protectors. Protector for this pillow, Angstkorn. The pillow is Spinner. And this is the first time I'm getting down pillows, so they have dark feather in them. When I checked the reviews, people were saying when you lay on it, it goes all the way flat. So I don't know if the difference is because I got pillow protector, so it looks fluffy. But the plan I have is this Jadra or Jadra. You can see how it crashes. The plan I have is, if that's the case that it goes flat when you lay on it, I know it's not permanent because it's feathers. If that's the case, I plan on buying more of this. This is for the couch, 50 by 50 centimeters. They were on sale for $5. So my plan is, if that happens, I'll take the feathers from in here and stuff them in here for $5. Why not? Why not? And if you didn't know, at IKEA, items that say somebody opened the packaging in the warehouse, so like this one says opened packaging, it's like just right here open, so they put them on sale. But I really don't think that's why, because there was a lot of this. When you go to IKEA, I don't know if you all know this, there's an as-is section where people maybe buy something, they don't use it, they don't like it, return it, because they have amazing return policies. You return it and then they will discount it like 50% off, so you can always like get stuff like those there. So if I go back and find like more of these ones, these are for the couch, like couch cushions, I'll get two of them to stuff all this feather back into my king pillows. While on Jedra, I also got the square pillows for my bed. It's also a Jedra. So this is a 26 by 26. The couch one is a 20 by 20. So I got two of these so that like my bed can be like, you know, there's going to be the kings at the back, and then I'll have my little queens that I've always had, my little queens, and then the square ones. For my pillow, the queens, the protector is the Ludros, and the pillow that I have is not down feel. It's just a Calvin Klein that I got from Costco. And then For the 26 by 26, I'm gonna put a pop of color, just one color. So this is the sage, these are linen, these are called the Aina. These are not linen, but I also got white ones just in case, just to switch things around. But I don't think that I will like the white ones, like everything to be white. These are like more like a canvas material, and the name is Girly. Yeah, speaking of popping color, and I don't want like everything to be all white, I decided that I'm going to get the sage bed sheets. So these are the Dvala or Vala, and they are queens. I was thinking, because the duvet is king, the flat sheet should also be king, right? So I'm going to get a flat sheet. I was looking everywhere and I was really tired at that time. So this is the Fagmara. This was really cheap. The thread count is 104. Okay, so the thread count for these ones is 152, which is better than this one. Both of them are 100% cotton. So I decided I'm gonna get these fitted and then get a flat that is king, because of the issue that we have, which is we're going with king duvets now. Speaking of king duvets, Ophelia Vase. This is the duvet covers that I got. It's so pretty. I like it so much. It's 100% cotton. So this is a king duvet cover with 2 king pillowcases, obviously. So then I did not need to buy these ones, because I also bought like 2 king pillowcases white. So then I didn't need to buy these ones. I am going to return them, because that one comes with the pillowcases, but these are plain Dvalas. And I also got like matching ones, same ones for the queen, and these are for the king pillows. I might not need these king ones, but I might keep them, because like I might whatever alternate. This is for my daughter's bed. We bought this color for her bed because she has a twin. It usually only comes with 1 pillowcase, and she has 2 pillows, so we had to get an extra one. I don't know why it most certainly is, but I can't tell you why it most certainly is not. My back! A good back! My back! A good back massage. And I'm a plant mom. My rubber plants need repotting. These are dustbins and they're like $1.99, so I got 3 of them. This is the pot, the ceramic pot. It's called Soja Bona, and it was $9. My daughter wanted this. This is the bun drum. It's like really pretty with red hearts. From the As Is, I got this, the Lekmans. Someone bought this and they returned it. I've been looking for these Lekmans for my Kallax cubes for a very long time, and I've never seen them at IKEA, so I don't know how long this person had these ones, but they never opened them. So I got 6 of these. I have different colors on my Kallax, and I always wanted to change them to all be white, and thank God I got this at the As Is. So that's what we got from IKEA. And oh yeah, my TV died, so I'm looking for new TV for my bedroom. So, but that can come later after I have finished with the bed situation. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Mina gets an acclamation. Stop, man, stop, stop. Mina. And you're still going. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why can't you let me win? See, I'm not even the button. Well then guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell me which part of this video you liked very much, and more content that you'd like to see from me. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one.